Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Now, what if you like saving your oil that you fried your food in, but you're tired of having all the contaminants in there? All the breadcrumbs or the corn meal or anything else that just falls in there and it ends up, when you refry it, it's just burning and it's ruining the flavor, okay? So maybe you got yourself a little funnel like this. Maybe it even came with like a little filter screen that snaps in, right? But if you guys have used this, you know, the whole filter idea is nice. It goes right in here, you can dump it back in, but this little filter thing, got some little holes kind of perforated in it, clogs up so fast, so fast. And then how do you keep going? You can't pull it out and clean off the contaminants because then the contaminants go down the funnel, right? I mean, you can do that, I guess, and then only have some contaminants in there. You're still dropping some. Sometimes I take my finger in there and kind of swirl it around to keep the oil going, but that sucks. So I found a better way. Just get yourself one of your paper coffee filters. It's really simple to use, so you're just gonna stick your funnel in there. There's no filter there already. We're gonna grab out one. To remember to only grab one. Don't double that up or it's not gonna go through it all. Okay, you wanna kinda stick your finger in there to kind of give it a cone shape. Okay. Now you're gonna fold over the excess so it stays open. Okay. And that's gonna catch there'll be so many more contaminants. And then as it starts to get like dirty, you can just dump the whole thing out, toss it in the trash, put a new one in, and you've caught all the contaminants. Here, I'll show you. Now, I typically like to do this in the sink in case you spill some, you know, you're already in the sink, which is good. And the oil is still warm. It's not like hot, you know, I touch the pan, it's still fairly warm. But that helps the oil to actually pour better too. Now, as you can see, it's not the fastest process in the world. So you need to have a little bit of patience and, you know, maybe go do something else in the meantime as these filter out. But they really do a great job of making the oil clean. Okay, now I know it's not 100% done, but this takes, you know, it takes a while. But is that not, look at that. Is that not the cleanest used oil that you guys have seen? And I just fried some breaded little cheesy chicken bowls, okay, you know, with panko breading, and there's nothing in here. So I hope you guys liked that quick tip. Please share this video. Please check out our website, hundreds more videos organized really, really well. And there's another video for you to check out as well. You guys have a great day.